Hala siya. Uy. Oh my God. Look at that. Good Lord. Cellphone, oh. Mal, there's a phone. Hala, Mal.
Oh?
Hala. Hala ka na. Oh my God. Hala. Ayan. Ang dami, oh. Grabe. Isang karton na tinapon. There's box here. I just pasalubong, oh. Mal, oh. This is Merry Christmas, oh. Wow, that's nice. Hala siya, zero sugar Pepsi. Hala, meron pa doon, mahal, oh. Hala, ano natin? Ano natin? Wow.
It says Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas for us. They heard us, we want some soft drinks. It's zero sugar. Merry Christmas din, Mr. Bin. Ang bait mo naman. Oh, hala siya, ang dami yung tapon, oh. Apakan na lang natin ito. Pasukin natin. Buti na lang walang tubig sa loob. Ang dami soft drinks agad. Ay, Mountain Dew. Uy, ay naku. Ay, uy naku. Uy, isa lang naku. Kita naman. Rush. No, Minute Maid empty. Oops. Zero sugar. Nice. Yan ang gusto natin. Okay. Ang zero sugar diet Pepsi malaki. Oh. Uy, let's go. Pa. Uy. Gawin natin lahat to. What is it? Flavored Pepsi. Ay, may tubig ko eh.
It does iced tea.
Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah. Ow. Let go. Yeah. I think we can get rid of this one.
What?
Okay, you think can we remove this? Oh, wait. Yeah, just hold it like that. Ay, ayos mo man. Ay, lagyan natin ito. Ito. Basag, oh. Sayang. Diba? Diet Pepsi. Ay, naku. Huh?
Baggies.
Wala, it's empty. More zero Pepsi. What is this? Taco shell? Taco shell.
orange can.
Yeah, I'm going to see. Oh, that's new. Reese's
Reese's?
Delight Iced Coffee. Oh, it's lowered like this. What do you think? Ayun ang ating kapitbayan. Ito, fruit punch. Some here, it has soup in here. I got soup.
Watch out for this.
Oh, wow, there's a broken. There's a broken thing in here. Look. Oh, it's all broken. Nice, this is all zero sugar. Wow, that's amazing. All diet. That's the way we want it. Oh. Bukas. Okay, I think we got it all. Oh, there's some more there. Oh, it's orange. Nah, I think I'm good. Ano to? Oops. Oh, basura. Ano pa na andyan? Oh, mahal. Lift it up. Lift it up. Oh, there's lace. What do you think is that? It's trash?
Straw? Straws?
Let me see. Ang laki kasi itong karton. I don't think I can go there because of this bag. There's some chocolate, oh. Basura yata naman ito. Uy. It's trash. This is banana. Rotten banana. Okay, wala na. Uy. Oh my god, there's a lot of chocolate, mahal. Get this box. Oh, what is this? Oh, give this gift to Ate May. Huh? Gift to Ate May. Gift sa ating neighbor. Oh wow, that's a lot. It's all Hershey's. Let me get rid of this thing. Oh, right. Okay, dyan ka. Wow. Look at all of that chocolate. Ooh wee. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hala siya. Uy. Oh my god. Look at that. Good lord.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
That's crazy. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Non-stop.
Who's that? Is your daughter?
Non-stop of chocolate. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. Hala ka, jackpot si Molay sa chocolate. Puno yung box ng chocolate. Stover. Russell Stover. Yeah.
Pecan delight. Russell Stover's pecan delight.
Hala ka, nasakit. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's get rid of that thing. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami, oh. Chocolate baka mo. Ayan ang gusto nyo. Yes. Opo. Ayan ang chocolate. Diyos ko manay. Masakit. Nahaluan ng ano, binalisan. Pero hugasan natin yan. Kasi nakasealed pen. Nakasealed. Pag ginugasan yan, malinis na yan. Diba? Oh my goodness. Whole box of chocolate. Oh, may Pringles pa. Oh, it's empty. Oh, may natira pa dito. Oh, bukas. Kunin lahat yan. Kunin lahat yan, manay. Kasi sayang yan. Wow, that's amazing. Chocolate kayo dyan. I need to wash the rest. These small ones. Hugasan natin yan. Kasi mawala din yan. Wala na, bumigay na ang karton. Bumigay na ang karton. Kano? Huh? Oh, diba naubos? Naubos ni Manay, oh. Sinimot ang chocolate ni Mr. Bin. Oh. Ay, Diyos ko. Ginawa. Hazelnut to. Hazelnut coffee creamer. Okay. Fifth Avenue. Huh? It's empty? Yeah. Tara na. Aray ko, sumakit na yung likod ko. Nag-enjoy si Mama. Look, what is this? Oh. Look, look. Salad. It's all salad. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hindi na to. Naperot na. Hindi na pwede. Okay. Maglayas na tayo dito. Maglayas na tayo dito. Puro itlog. Ay, ano to? Oh, it's broken. Yeah. Toots. Parang ihi. It looks like pee. Right? It does look like pee. Okay. Wonder what is this? 100% orange juice labo. It's made from Brazil. You can put it down, so you don't have to hold it. Hmm? Imported. Made from Brazil. Ano natin ingredients ito? Oh, mahal. It's filtered water, orange juice, concentrate, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. That's the ingredients. You want those? Let me see. Let me see if there's some more. I'm sure there's more. Ito pala to. You know. Napisat na yung mga itlog. Dunkin' Donut coffee.
What's the can?
It's a coffee. Dunkin' Donut iced coffee. Brownie butter donut. Ay no. It's covered with juice.
Wow.
With egg juice. We're good. Yes, we're good. Wag na yan. Okay. Oh, there's more. Ruby red. Ito pa. Malunod tayo sa inumin nito. Okay, that's it, love. That's it. Will you move my ladder? Thank you. Sinimot. Sinimot ang laman ni mr.bin na tsokolate. Hi mga Mars. Dito tayo kay mr.bin. Siyempre kay mr.bin. Pasukin natin. Ano ko? May bisikleta oh. Mal oh. What do you think is that oh?
That's somebody's.
Huh?
It's a medical device.
You think it's medical device? Oh?
Like you kneel on it.
Oh? Is that how it works? Oh. Oh, you can't like, you know, pedal or. Oh, okay.
I can make something out of it though. Like a cart, garden cart.
So how this run?
But foot power.
Foot power? So they get the foot power?
Get it out.
Okay. Ang ganda oh. Bisikleta. Hold on. That's nice. Oh, here they took it. Get it out.
Look,
How you?
like this.
Ah. Okay.
Foot power.
Walang yang. Madaming ano. Wala, there's a lot of
Okay.
cupcakes. Pasukin natin para makuha natin yung cupcake. Ito na namang boots ko. Wow. Cupcakes all you can. Oh. Ay. Yes. This is really, this is healthy food.
It's health food.
Yeah, this is really healthy.
It helps you lose weight.
Yeah, this will help you lose weight, really.
Energy.
There. Yeah, you're right. It's carbs. This is low in carbs. It's keto.
Not really.
Niluloko yung sarili na. Sabi ko na may Aldi ba? O may ano. May bag na naman tayo mga Mars. I found a bag. Natin to. Bread for our neighbor.
Oh, the birds?
Oh, or the birds, yeah.
Just get like two.
No, it's two. Get it two.
Go shopping.
Let's go shopping for our animals. Huh? Oh, sourdough. You want some sourdough?
Sourdough?
Yeah.
No?
Oh, it's amag. They have amag. May amag ang ating sourdough. Tingnan natin. Ano pa na dito? Oh, mahal, look at that part there. Oh, that side. I think there's a stuff. What's in that box? Oh my god.
More of those. Oh, more of those original. More keto health food.
We'll give it to Evelyn.
Yeah.
Okay, to Sis Evelyn. Sis Evelyn, you have so many balikbayan box here. Sis. Ayan na naman si Mr. Bin. Binigyan naman tayo ng biyaya pang share sa atin mga kababayan dyan. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang mga Mars. Lumayas na tayo dito kay Mr. Bin at baka tayo ay naku. Tama na yan. Uy! Coffee! Nice! May kape pala yun. May umusbong na kape. How about that? I'm surprised there's no chicken in here. I mean, there's no banana.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, no banana. Oh, hala, may cellphone. Oh, Mal, there's a phone. Hala, Mal.
Oh.
Hala. Oh my god. Hala, Mal, is that real? Hala, may cellphone nga. Uy, Mal, there's an ID. Oh.
Oh.
Doctor. Doctor siya. It's Doctor. Doctor Sabad. In driver license. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a different person's license.
And there's a Visa card here. Hala siya.
It's a weird thing to find in Aldi trash.
Costco.
Same.
Oh, executive member.
Huh.
May Sam's Club din siya, oh. Ano ba't ganila itinapon, oh? Huh? Oh.
What the heck?
Bakit ganyan, oh? Oh, these are credit card. Uy, Citibank, mahalo. These are all credit
I
card.
wonder. It's just like the
Hala siya. Oh, Bank of America.
cards that people left behind and
Maybe.
they didn't come pick up.
Debit card.
Because you think they would try to return them.
Yeah, maybe we can call them and get their their.
Well, I would think that Aldi probably called them.
And maybe they can't.
They can't find any
Yeah.
of these things.
Macy's. We can use that Costco card though. We don't have Costco card yet, so maybe we can use that. There's a lot. Hello, there's more. Hala ka, may pa-cellphone si Mr. Bin. Nakakatuwa. Oh. There's a lot more.
Yeah.
It's a Prime. There's some Prime.
You can use these to, like a squeegee or for opening things. And
Oh yeah,
I keep
you
old
collect
cards
that.
too.
Oh, there's another one. Hello, maybe there's money here. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is this?
That's a wallet.
Is this wallet?
What is that?
I don't know. It's like Buddha thingy. It's calendar 2004 calendar.
Oh, this is one of those cool wallets.
Oh, driver license. There's more
Another
driver.
one?
There's more license here.
Oh.
Why
Mail
they?
it to 'em.
We will send that to them. Lupot kaya nila itinapon, no? Ang weird naman nila. Wawa naman itong mga driver license. Oh, another driver license.
That's weird.
Signa. Oh, more driver license. New York State. How odd. Signa. Huh? Ano? Kalakulan naman mga mo. Sila ko may cellphone pala. Uy. Kawawa naman yung may-ari ng cellphone. Okay. Wala na. That's it.
That's weird.
It is weird. Really.
Some eggs, but we're good on eggs. We just found the whole piece.
Nakakuha tayo ng whole case mga Mars. Uy. Oh, it's busted na. Uy, may salmon. Oh, it's still warm. Oh, butas.
Oh.
It has hole. It's open. Oh, chicken.
Nah.
Huh?
Nah.
Try it. It's still cold.
Nah. I don't trust the chicken.
Okay,
It's
this
always, you can get it. I guess we can get
Okay,
it
tara na.
if it's no good.
Tara na, tara na, tara na, tara na. Layas na, layas na, layas na. I haven't opened this.
What's this?
Bastos.
There's a plant.
I
Formation.
saw that. What do you call that?
Formation, I think.
And poncetta. Tara na. We have more stuff. Oh, madaming Swiss rolls. Uy, may chocolate. Oh. May kape po tayo. Organic. Kunin natin lahat. Bigyan natin kay Sis Evelyn. Okay na. Tara na. Kaya nga dito kay Mr. Bean. Ano ang tinapon nyo, guys? Guys. Uy, may ano, oh. May ano, oh. Tawag yan. May heater. Sana may laman. There's some heater, lab, oh. There's a heater. May heater. At ano ito? Wala. Yan. Buksan nga natin. Let's open it all the way. Tingnan natin kung medyo madami yung may tapon. Parang may tapon sila eh. Diba? Tingnan natin. Wala, ang bigat nito. Sweet tea. May tsa. Hindi naman tayo nagtsatsa. Kuha tayo ng isa por sa kapitbahay natin. Sweet tea again. Ay, sweet tea. Ano to? Oh, Jimmy din daw. Jimmy din. Empty. Empty si Jimmy din. Wala, ang bigat nito. Okay. Mahal, this is heavy. Mahal, this is really heavy. Ang bigat. Baka ano to? Baka cold stuff kasi ang bigat niya. Oh, is that empty? Feels like it. Hindi nga siya empty, mga Mars. Is it empty? Uy, wow, mahal. Oh. We need to get this bag. There's some. Yeah, get it out. It's heavy. I'll help you. Tingnan natin. Dala ka. Oh my god, there's a lot of cheese. Kuha tayo ng bag. Kuha tayo ng bag. Dala ka. Tingnan natin. Oh. Alay siya. Ang daming Monterey Jack cheese. Monterey Jack cheese. May sour cream. Ano to? Gogurt. Strawberry. Sour cream. Ano to? Ano yan? Madaming asukal yun. At may bacon. At meron pang cheese. Kaya pala mabigat ikaw, ha? Marami pang cheese, ha? Marami sour cream, oh. Ano siya? Ano natin ito, oh. Ano to? Ano pa kaya to? There's more. Ay, lumabas na. Ay. Ay, ko. Maraming cheese. Magsawa pa sa cheese kay Mr. Bean. Pinupulot lang dito. Oh, Diyos ko, Lord. Sa Manila. Sa Pilipinas, ano eh. Talagang, ano mo. Oh, delight daw to. Southern butter pecan. Huh? Oh, open it. This is Tyson chicken sandwich. It's not frozen, love.
Not cold.
It's not frozen.
It's not.
It's cool. It's cool. It's not cold. It's only cool. Okay, yun lang. Yun lang ang dito. Yung iba empty. Empty. Oh, mahal. This is all pizza. Nako. Clover Valley pepperoni pizza. Oh my goodness. It's pizza day. Pizza diving. Pizza night. Ito. Living large popcorn shrimp. Peke naman yan. Oh, this is not good na, mahal.
No.
Tingnan nyo ha. Hindi na pwede. Oh, tingnan nyo ha. Hindi na pwede yung pizza. Sayang. No good na. Pizza is not good. This one is cold. You wanna get this? It's just cool. Not cold.
So probably like it.
Oh, we'll give it to the neighbor. Okay. Ayan.
Finish with this?
Apo. I don't know. So, tara na. Naku, napakahangin. Napakahangin. Tingnan na. Eh, may damit ang ano. May damit ang aso. Kunin natin. Kunin natin ito. Ito. Laruan ng pambata. Parang may nagtapo lang. Ay, grabe puno. Puno ang basura nila. Kunin ko to. Ano nang halaman ba? Ang ganda oh. Kunin natin ito sa halaman. Ang halaman doon. Ay, sorry. Grabe yung mga ang basurahan nila oh. Wow. Ano pa? Ang dami nilang tinapon na ano oh. Ng mga halaman. Ay, kasayang aba. Wala tayo makalakal dito mga maso. Kasi naapaw yung basurahan. Ay, ganda na ito oh. Kunin ko. Free range cake. Organic. Ano natin yan. Apaw na apaw. Ano yan? Yogurt. Ay, hila may mantika doon sa ano oh. Parang gusto kong pumasok. Kaso pa ka mamaya. Kung ano tayo. Tingnan natin kung makapasok tayo. Kasi biglang bumaba si mr.bin. So, pumasok tayo ba? Ayan oh. Ay, napakahangin oy. Tingnan natin ah, makapasok tayo. Si Manay pumasok na. Pumasok na si Manay. Ano oh, bakit? Wala yan. Wala ng pata. Ayun, nandun. Ay. Ano ba ito? Tubig. Ay, ano na, bukas na. Ayan, oh. Eh, bukas na. Hindi na pwede. Ay, nagtapo ng karne, oh. Ay, nako. Iko, ano naman ang mga halaman, oh. Wala, nagukumapang. Nagukumapang si mr.bin. Ano to? Tataki sauce. Tinapay. Hindi na pwede. Ha? I don't think I can get stuff in here. Where?
On the other end.
Okay, I'll go there. May itlog daw doon sa kabila. Thank you. Wala dito. Nakalokay tayo. Will you get this, love? Here? Thank you. Tayo sa kabila daw. May itlog daw doon. May itlog. Tara, tara. Nice! Wow! Is this the one that was... It's new. Awesome. What is this?
Looks like kids' toy.
Oh, that's cute. Looks new. Okay, let's see the eggs here. Ang ganda
This for the eggs.
Oh. May dala tayo. Ano, tara. Uy, wow, ang daming itlog. Oh. Wow, oh my god, range free. Pasteurized. Laka. Umigay natin to. Ay. Ayan. Ang dami. Grabe. Isang karton na tinapon. There's box here. I just use it. Loko. Ano magagandang itlog, oh. Puro organic pasteurized. Nice. Ang mamahal kaya niyang itlog na yan. Naku, ang mamahal ang itlog na yan talaga. Okay. Paano natin buhatin to? Aray ko. You got it? Okay. Aray ko. Parang itlog nilang tinapon. Kawawa. Buti nakuha natin. Hindi tayo makapunta doon sa dulo, oh. Sa gitna. That's it. Tara. Oh, mga Mars. Mangalkal na naman tayo ng bag dito, eh. Oh, mabigat. Uy! No, there's sparkling drinks. Will you get that, love? And this one, there's some, I don't know. Ano natin? Kuha natin dito kay Mr.bin. Ay, naku. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Huh? Ano ito? May sandwich bread. Sandwich bread. Kunin natin. May chicken. Turkey corn dog. Oh. Ay, ano na pala. Bukas na. Bukas nag-ano siguro to. Open na. Halaka, lamig pa ng manok. Ay ka, lamig pa ng chicken. Kunin natin ng chicken. Mr.bin. Lagyan natin dito. Nice. Ay, pala naamoy kong maasim kasi may ano, may pickle na nabutas. Yan pala may maasim. Yung creamy ni mushroom. Ay, iba ng kulay. Magod na siya, magod. Ito. Mga pakwin. Uy, ang ganda ng cheese, oh. Ano to? Extra sharp Canadian cheddar cheese. New Zealand sharp cheddar. Ano to? Almond butter. Parang bukas na. Tingnan natin na. Bukas na nga. Bukas na. Ang asim ng pakwan. Ay, ang cute, oh. Chocolate. Nag-iisa. Naligaw ni chocolate. Okay. Na dito eh. Itong wine ay, yung wine natin ay empty. Nagpa-wine test sila, oh. Nagpa-wine test sila. Mga Mars, oh, tingnan nyo. Yan, oh. Kason. Wala na dito eh. Ayan. Ay. Ano ba ito makuha natin dito? Puro basura lang. Uy, may bacon, oh. May bacon. May pa-bacon si Mr. Bean. Ay, wilted na. Gloves. May pa-gloves ka. Itong mangga. Ay, gal. Apa. Kalak mangga. Mabigat siya kasi may squash. Ay, may orange, oh. May suo. Kunin lang natin yung yan, oh. Oh, ang bango. Bango ng amoy, oh. Ang bango ng amoy niya. May bulok na isa. Ang lalaki pati, oh. Wow. Super bango. Bigat siya kasi may kamating isa. May isang kalate. Ay, may prutas ba? Ay, ano po?
I'd like to get some of these empty tins for pulling stuff.
Okay. Jingle jangle. Empty. Empty daw yung jingle jungle. Oh, empty nga. Empty nga yung mga lata. Oops. Upi. Ay, hindi na maganda ang karne nila. Parang few days na tapon na nila. Hindi na red yung isa. Uy, ito red pa, oh. Oh, malamigon. Ay, parang may mold. May amag. Oh, buti lang makita ko. May macaroni. Apo. May macaroni tayo. Yun lang mga Mars. Yun lang ang halukay for today. That's finished. Thank you. Yun lang ang halukay natin ngayon dito kay Mr. Bean. Ayan, oh. May bacon, may manok, at meron tayo nitong pinig rigate, at may orange, may cheese. Okay, tara na. Ito kasama natin pala ito. Tara. Hello. Ano yan? Maraming sausage, oh. Fresh made in the USA. Look, oy. May sausage ng dugi. Oh. Beef sausage. Ay. Matuwa ang aking aso. Ay. Matuwa ang dugi-dugi. Wow. There's some metal in here, huh? Like, oh, they're like, oh, I think I need to go inside. Huh?
Yeah.
I need to go inside, huh? I can step on here. What do you think?
Yeah. Well, kind of gross, but
I'll just step on it. I wanna get this bag, oh. Lagay ng basura. Pasok tayo. Step on that. Yeah, seems like it.
you can put them inside those boxes.
Opo. Oh, I can. Balik natin dito. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Bumababa.
Is that metal? That blue?
Opo. Natuwa ang ating tugi-tugi. Kasi merong mga dugrit. Ang dami mo. Uy! Mahal oh. Nice. Thank you po. May pamasko ang sa dugi-dugi ko. May birdie pa. Birdie food. Huh? Ay. Buti na lang nakabuts ako. Pagkain ng aso to. Malo. It's dog food. Just grab the bag. It's all dog food. Huh? Yeah. Uy, nice. Nasa pusa. Oh. Wow, maganda oh. Tapos may bago pang damit ng aso. Brand new oh. This is brand new. It's brand new. Still has tag. Wala na. Ay, tara na. Ayan, hipo natin ito. Tingnan natin. Tapon silang ano. Litter box. I bet that's heavy. Oh, sana hindi bukas. Hindi sana bukas. Basta dog. Oh, dog food. Feline. Oh, carrot diet. Nice.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, sir. Is that like dark cat litter? Cat litter. Oh, mahal oh. There's some toys. There's some toys. Maybe you can get it. Dog toy. You may want to move here. May dog toy ko. Dog toy. Dog toy, dog toy, dog toy. Dog toy tayo. Can you read it? Oh, there's a shoe.
Shoot.
I think I saw a dog toy there. That's cute, cat stage. Oh, mahal oh, there's a balibag joke. You get that? Nice. Walang partner yung shoes. Oh, you got it. Yay, thank you. Miawana. Oh, oh. Ito yung ating mga aso-aso. Kunin ko nga. Hold on. I'll get it. Oh, may shampoo pa oh. Shampoo. Ewan ko kung ano yung shampoo oh. Maybe there's more toy under. What do you think? Wala na. That's
What?
it. That's it. Holy moly!
Or they cut it all.
Look at all of that dog food. Oh my goodness! Puno! Oy! Diyos ko Lord! Puno! Hanggang sa baba! Oh my god, that's mean. They cut it all. Maybe we can save some and tape it. What do you think?
Should try.
Yeah. Ay, grabe ka oh. Ano na ng ladder? What do you think? Binutas talaga nila oh. Ang sama. Yeah. I think we can tape that. Ayan oh. Yeah, I still save that oh. Grabe ang sama nila talaga oh. Ay nako. Grabe sayang. Grabe sayang talaga. Ang mahal-mahal ng dog food. Tapos ginaganito lang nila dito. Kala ko paubos na hindi. Pedigree. Put ang aking camera. Nag-change tayo ng battery. Ay, nakuha ni Habi na oh. Inunti-unti niya. Iligtas yung ibang ano, inano nila. Grabe. Oh. Ay. Mali. Dapat pala ganyan muna. Ayan. Para na-close siya. Rachel Ray dog food. Mahal ko yung ito. Pinapon lang nila. Diba? Okay, I think that's enough love. Put ang aking camera. Nag-change tayo ng battery. Ay, nakuha ni Habi na oh. Inunti-unti niya. Iligtas yung ibang ano, inano nila. Grabe. Oh. Ay. Mali. Dapat pala ganyan muna. Ayan. Para na-close siya. Rachel Ray dog food. Mahal ko yung ito. Pinapon lang nila. Diba? Okay, I think that's enough love. You think?
Okay.
We'll be out of room. Okay. Parang nahaluan na ito ng ano. Wow, ang tagal ng supply nito ng aso natin. Ang laki ng tipid talaga nito. Ang masura. Madiskarte ka, makakatipid ka. Di ba mga Mars? Ito mag-inarte. Binutas nila to, parang walang makakuha eh. natin ng paraan yan para ano, di sayang. Oh, this is not much. Okay, we can just pour it. Okay. Wow. Tingnan nyo, oh. Wala namang problema. Itinapon na nila. Ay. Hold on. One more. Alright, i-load na natin ito. Hello mga Mars, welcome back sa ating unload. Ayan, yung iba ng mga nakuha natin ay in-unload na ni Habi. So ito yung tinira niya, sabi ko iwan niya sa sasakyan kasi dito natin i-unload. So ito yung mga dog food na nakuha natin. Tingnan nyo, ang dami oh. Rachel Ray, ito yung ano natin nakuha. May Rachel Ray tayo. Tapos may puring na dog food, puring na proplan. At meron dyang pedigree. Ayan. Puro tatlong Rachel Ray. Tapos yung iba nilagay na sa bag doon. Tapos ito, tingnan niyo ito. Akala ko na ito bisikleta. Ang cute ng bisikleta. Hindi pala. Yung ilagay mo yung ano dyan. Ano. Ang cute. Kinuha niya ito ni Habi kasi hindi naman namin magagamit ito. Kinuha niya lang kasi gagawin niya, magagawa siya ng wagon. Kailangan niya itong ano, gulong ba. Ayan, gagawa siya ng wagon. Tapos meron pa pala doon. Oh. Tingnan natin itong nando sa ano, sa gilid. Ay, ito yung ano, yung feline. Sakto, alam niyo mga Mars, ganito yung aming pinapagamit sa aming pusa kasi matipid ito eh. Arm & Hammer Healthy Home Healthy Cat Feline Pine 100% Pine Original. Organic ba ito? Organic eh. Sabi ba organic? Original. Ayan oh, diba? Ang saya. May libre tayong litter box. Kung bibilhin mo to, ang mahal niyan. Sobrang mahal kaya ng ano, ng litter box. So ayan, tingnan naman, pasok tayo sa loob at tingnan natin yung ating mga ibang naharbat na mga madami. Tara! Hello mga Mars! Ayan, ito na ang ating ibang naharbat. Naku po, Diyos ko, tingnan nyo. Puno na naman ang ating mesa ng mga biyaya. Galing sa ating Panginoon. Kay Mr. Bin. Ayan ang biyaya natin galing kay Mr. Bin. Diyos ko po, sobrang dami. Ayan, isa-isahin na natin ito. Ang sangkatutak na malunod ka sa soft drinks. Ayan. Puro Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew Zero. Ayan, Mountain Dew Diet. At ito naman hindi ito Mountain Dew na regular Mountain Dew siya. At Milo Sweet Tea. Ayan ang Pepsi Diet. At meron tayo dito dalawang Reese's Delight Iced Coffee. Ayan. At itong ang ating orange Ruby Kiss 100% orange juice.
Ayan ang tatlong case ng coffee. Pepsi Zero Sugar. Ayan pa. At merong burst. Yung orange drink daw yan. Dami oh. May iced tea tayo dito. Itong iced tea ay lemon brisk iced tea. Ayan, brisk iced tea daw yan oh. Ayan. At meron tayo dito 40% protein, 20% fat, ferret. Supreme ferret diet. Pagkain ng ferret. Ayan, ang cute ng ferret oh. At ang mga dog food, mga pagkain. Ang toys ng ating aso. Ayan, dalawa yung kong squeeze. Nag-squeak siya. Ayan, dalawa, yellow at green at blue. At meron tayo dito Mermaking Scat Laser Toy. Ang galing oh, bagong-bago. At kong mouse salmon recipe. Ayan oh, sa treats ng cat. At may dog toy tayo dito. Simply Dog, ayan. Holiday apparel. At ito galing to sa ano. Tingnan natin ito, dog toy. Dog dress. Ayan o, pet apparel. Fabulous. Ayan o, fabulous. Ang ganda. Ang cute ng ano. Nakakulay pink ang ating doggy. Ayan. At ito yung laman ng paper bag mga Mars na may toy ba yun? Oh. Ayan o, may small relax fit max t-shirt tayo. T-shirt yan. At meron itong insulated bag siya. At ito pa yung ibang dog toy. Ay, cat toy pala ito oh. Ayan o, Mermaking cat toy. 3 pieces ng set. Ito naman ay dog toy set. 2-piece dog toy set. At ito naman ay tough dog toy. Ito, Miawana jump and dump. So, ano ko to sa aking pusa oh. Kasi may ano sila oh. May yung pang ano ba, kalimutan ko na ang tawag doon. At meron tayong, tingnan nyo oh, hindi ko napansin pero kainin pa rin ito ng ano dito, may bags na siya kaya nila itinapon. Bigay ko yan sa ano, wild birds. At marami tayo ditong 12-inch Turkish sausage, dog treat. Ito, tas beef sausage. Oh, turkey tsaka beef yata. Ito yun, ang dami. Tingnan nyo ang cellphone mga Mars. Itong cellphone ay powered by T-Mobile. So, ang cellphone na ito ay Samsung. Ito yung Samsung. Ang ganda ng cellphone na ito. Uy, tingnan nyo. Ang Samsung na ito ay Samsung SMA15. SMA15 siya. So, powered by T-Mobile. Tinry ni Habi na i-reset. And then, na-reset nga. Ang kaso, hindi natin magamit ito. Gawa ng kailangan ng kailangan ng email ng may-ari. Ayan o. Ang bago, mukha pang siyang bago. Walang gas-gas. Ganun o. Tingnan nyo o. Hanggang ano lang ako dito. Ganyan-ganyan. Hanggang ganyan lang. Tapos, wala. Pagdating sa email, wala tayong access sa ganon. So, ang mangyayari dito ay ibenta natin ng 4 parts. Kasi hindi natin magamit. Nang hinayang ako. Ang ganda. Ang ganda pa naman ng cellphone. May libre tayo. Pero pag nabenta yan, diba? May libre tayong pera. Tapos ito yung toy na nandun sa nandun sa bag. Nakasama nitong t-shirt na yan. At nitong bag na to. And siya, may sinet up ko. May missing siya. Missing ng isang tao. Nawawala ang isang tao. Tapos yung isang ganito, nawawala. Pero ang cute niya, siya, kahoy. Made out of pure wood. At, ang ating Simple Nature Organic Honduras Single Origin Whole Bean Coffee. Medium roast. At meron tayo ditong 4 na Daisy Sour Cream Pure and Natural. At itong cereal, binusurin nila. Tinapon nila kasi sira yung box. Sira yung box. So, kaya nila tinapon. So, Millville Family Size Honey Nut Crispy Oats. Yan. At ang ating Casa de Oro taco shell, 2 box. Ang Tyson Original Chicken Breast Sandwich. Ayan. 2 laman. At ng Southern Butter Pecan International Delight. Uy, ang sarap siguro nito eh. Pampataba At Go-Gurt Strawberry Flavored. 3. Natin to si Go-Gurt. At ang madami nating cheese. So, 10 yung nakuha natin na gantong Clover Valley Monterey Jack cheese. 10 block ng cheese. At nito may holiday caramels with Werther's Original Cinnamon Cream. Open siya kaya nila itinapon, pero yung nakasealed ang mga mga candy sa loob, kaya kinuha ni Habi. Sayang din man, oh. Ayan. Tas ang ating yan? Baker Street cupcakes, 1 box yan, 1 box. At meron tayo nitong Love and Fresh honey wheat bread, 2, ayan 2. At itong Swiss rolls, 1 box din yung Swiss rolls na nakuha natin from Baker Street. Ayan. Ayan. At ang madaming tsokolate. Ang chocolate, bumahan ng chocolate. Gulat na gulat ako, nakita ko sa ilalim sila. So ayan, ang dami oh. Meron tayong 2 pirasong Fifth Avenue crunchy peanut butter and rich chocolate coating. At ang Reese's peanut butter chips, 1 bag. Yan. At itong Hershey's giant 25 pieces Hershey's special dark mildly sweet chocolate. Alam nyo, hindi lahat expired ang chocolate na to. Nagtaka ko bakit nila itinapon. Hinugasan ko sila lahat to. Kasi kung napansin nyo dun sa video natin nung kinukuha natin ito ay siya, parang may dust siya. Hindi pa, parang yung nagwalis sila ba. Tapos na mix sa mga chocolate. Tingnan yung expiration yan, oh. Ito naman ay next year pa expired nito, 2025 siyang expiration nitong special dark chocolate. At ito namang Hershey's Symphony extra creamy milk chocolate almond and toffee. Uy, parang masarap siya, no? At ito expiration niya ay May pa May 2025 ang expiration niya. Next year pa expired. At Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. Ito naman ay September pa ang expiration. Next year. Lahat sila ay next year pa expiration. Oh, December. Isang taon pa expiration nito. Milk chocolate. Hershey's milk chocolate. At itong madaming Russell Stovers. Oh my God. Lord. Thank you po sa chocolate mo. Oh God. mr.bin. Sabi, ang saya-saya talaga. At flavor nito. Russell Stover strawberry creme in white fudge. Ayan. At Ghirardelli chocolate squares peppermint bark. Ayan. At itong Russell Stover chocolate truffle and milk chocolate. At ito ay Russell Stover coconut and dark chocolate. Yan ang flavor niya. At ito naman ay caramel and milk chocolate. So yan lahat at ang flavor nito. Nabanggit ba natin lahat? Yan, oh. Yan ang mga flavor niya, oh. Apat na flavor si Russell Stover natin na nakuha. At ito pala isa. Ito naman ay Big Bite Pecan Delight pecans and caramel. Ayan naman siya. Ayan, oh. So ang dami, tingnan nyo. Hinugasan ko talaga. Inisa-isa ko hugasan mga para matanggal yung alikabok. Oh, diba? At meron tayo dito siyempre pang ulam. Hindi mo mawala ang ulam ni Mr. Bean. Smithfield center cut apple with smoked bacon thick cut. At itong Trader Joe's uncured dry rub sliced bacon. Ayan. At ang chicken natin, natural cut chicken. Ano kaya to? Thai ba to? Hindi ko maano. Tay, kaya ito. Nagprosin na lagay ko agad sa freezer. 8 pieces na chicken ito. Ito naman, pare sila. Thai pala to, Thai part. Ayan, masarap ito. Ano ba, mang inasal. I-grilled natin mang inasal. At ang mga organic, nako, tingnan nyo, akala ko nito expired na, kaya nila itinapon. Pero kahit expired na, kukunin ko pa rin. Diba, ang itlog sa atin wala may expiration, diba? Tingnan nyo expiration niya, oh. Next year pa, next month, expiration niya. So, ano siya, ano ba to? Vital Farms, pasture raised, organic. Tingnan nyo, oh, walang basag, oh. Ayan, oh, ba't kaya nila, tinapon nila, oh. So, 5 tray, ganyan. At meron tayo ditong organic pasture raised egg. Oh, 24 ang laman nitong isang to. Organic naman. Ito siya, organic naman ito. Itong 5 ay hindi siya organic. Ah, lumikit. Oh, tingnan nyo. 'Di ba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang ganda ng ating itlog. At ito pa, meron pa free range organic. Ito naman may missing, oh. Wala yung 3. Ayan. At pasture raised egg. Ay, puro pasture raised pala itong nakuha natin, uy. Pero ito hindi organic. May isang basag and the rest are all good. At ito pa, ang dami, oh. Tingnan nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi ko alam kung ilang dosena ang ating nakuha ng but dosena, grabe ang dami. Ayan, oh, daming harbat. Diba mga Mars? Oh, saya. Ang saya mo masura pag ganito, laging madaming nakukuha. Maraming isi-share sa kapitbahay. Diba? So, ayan mga Mars. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Shoutout ko po yung mga manonood ko dyan na nasa Manila, nasa Mindanao, nasa Davao, sa Albay, sa Bicol region. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa panonood ng aking video, guys. Salamat po. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ingat po tayong lahat. Pa-subscribe po ako kung nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Bye po.